Good morning, Jessica Joy fans. This is Jessica Joy reporting live this morning. Whether the weather has weathered your life, you've still got Jesus and the accurate temperature. Alright, again today I'm just going to post all the degrees for the areas and such, but just beware, it is raining today, unfortunately, so you want to wear umbrellas and raincoats. I have to say that. Alright, so Jessica Joy's rule number 14 is to be thankful for your friends. It is very hard to find a really good friend, especially these days, so be thankful for the friends that you have today. Alright, Jessica Joy's fan of the day today is Ben Michael Witt. Love him to death. He is probably up there with Mr. Larry about my #1 fans. He's been a supporter since day one. He bugs the crap out of me and when I don't post, and he's always like, "Where's my Jessica Joy report?" So, Ben, you are my #1 fan of the day today. Alright, you guys. You all have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching these videos. It's greatly appreciated. This is Jessica Joy and I'm signing out. Bye!